In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to modify data by batch by using ECOUNT Excel add-in function. You can modify the existing data registered in ERP by batch, such as customer vendor codes or item codes that are registered in each setup menu by using ECOUNT Excel add-in batch modify function. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to use modify item data function, for example. In the item list, you can see the existing item codes, such as Guatemala bean and packaging paper. And if you look at the unit field, you can see that no unit information has been entered. So in order to add unit information, you can either click on each item code and individually enter in each item's unit information, or you can batch apply unit data to multiple item codes at once by using Excel add-in function. So in order to modify data in Excel, run the Excel. And if you installed ECOUNT Excel add-in program, you will see the ECOUNT tab at the top right. So click on it and click on Login button. Enter in your company code, user ID, and password, and click Login. After that, if you click on New Data button, you will see each section. In Modify section, you will find the menus where you can batch modify data, such as customer vendor codes and item codes. So here I'm going to show you how to add unit information to the existing item codes. Select Modify Item Data, and then a pop-up window will be displayed where you can select the fields you will modify. So select the fields you want to modify and click Next. Then the program will load existing data for the selected fields. Or you can also click Select Default, and then the fields of General tab will be selected. And if you go back to the ERP screen, Inventory 1, Setup, Item menu. If you click New button at the bottom, and then you can verify the fields configured in the General tab. So here I'm going to click Select Default and Apply. And then the second pop-up, Modify Item Data, will be displayed. And here you can select the range of items you will load. You can either select and load a particular range of item codes, or you can load the entire item data by directly clicking Search button without selecting any value. So here you can see that your ERP item codes have been successfully loaded. So enter data in the unit field. And since the spec field is also missing, enter each item's spec as well. One thing to note here is that in Modify Data menu, you're able to not only just enter in new information, but also delete the existing information or make adjustments to the existing data. So as for item specifications, for example, if this bean is a high quality bean, mark that in the spec field. And then enter the other item's spec as well. After you finish making adjustments, click Transmit Data button, and Modify Data window will be displayed, where you need to enter in the displayed CAPTCHA to confirm data modification. This confirmation process is required since after data modification, you won't be able to retrieve the data before the change or restore the data to its previous state. The program is checking once again if the entered data is the one you want to change to and whether it's okay that you won't be able to retrieve the data. So I'm going to enter in the CAPTCHA. It is case sensitive. After entering in, click Confirm button. and you will see the results field. And if you close the window and go to the extreme right, you will see OK messages that indicate that the data have been successfully modified. And then in order to verify that the data have been successfully uploaded, we're going to refresh the ERP screen on the web. And go to Inventory 1, Setup, Item menu. Previously, no item had its unit entered, but here we can see that each item has unit information. And if you click on each item code, we can also see the spec field has information entered as well. So in this way, you can modify data by batch using Excel add-in program.